This quick guide will show you exactly how to add custom artwork to games in Steam. Customizing your game library can give a personal touch to your gaming experience and make it more visually appealing. Whether you want to showcase fan art, create a cohesive theme, or simply update the look of your library, adding custom artwork is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and transform your Steam library into something uniquely yours. To begin, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your library is accessible. The Steam app is your gateway to managing your game collection, and it's where all the magic happens when it comes to customization. If you're not sure where to find Steam on your computer, check your desktop for the Steam icon or search for it in your applications. Once Steam is up and running, the next step is to click on the Library tab. You'll find this at the top of the Steam window. The library is where all your games are housed, and it's the central hub for accessing and organizing your gaming collection. Clicking here will display a list of all the games you own, and from here, you can decide which game you'd like to update with custom artwork. Next, you'll want to select the game you wish to customize. Scroll through your library and find the game you're looking to update. Once you've located it, right-click on the game's title. Right-clicking is the key to accessing additional options for your game, and it's how you'll be able to proceed to the customization settings. After right-clicking the game, a menu will appear. Click on Properties from this menu. This will open a new window that provides a variety of options for managing your game's settings. In this new window, you'll want to look for the Customization tab. This is where you'll find the options to personalize your game's appearance, including the artwork. Once you're in the customization section, look for the area labeled Artwork. Here, you'll see an option to change the artwork. Click on this option to begin the process of selecting your custom artwork. This is the moment where you can bring in your personal touch. Make sure you have your custom artwork files ready. These can be images you've created yourself, downloaded from the internet, or sourced from fan communities. Ensure that the artwork you choose is in a compatible format, typically JPEG or PNG, and matches the dimensions recommended by Steam for optimal display. After clicking Change, a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the artwork file you've chosen. Navigate to the location where your custom artwork is saved, select the file, and click Open. Steam will then update the artwork for your game to the image you've selected, and you'll instantly see the new look reflected in your library. And there you have it, you've successfully added custom artwork to a game in Steam. This process can be repeated for as many games as you like, allowing you to fully personalize your game library. Whether you want each game to have a unique look or prefer a consistent theme across your library, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy your newly customized gaming experience and let your creativity shine through each game's unique cover art.